What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today I just want to do something different. Just wanted to bring y'all something different. Just put some content on the channel. Something I had sitting in the drawer. It's a Throwback Thursday. So this is the Motorola Droid Razr. This is the Verizon version that came out 2011 November. This is actually my device. I bought this device new back in the day. As you can see, it's still booted up. I got it hooked up to my charger because it was dead as a doorknob. But you know what I mean, I just wanted to have a Throwback Thursday device on here. A throwback. I mean, look at it. 4.3 inch screen. It was a 8 megapixel camera on the back, but it did 1080 video. Look at it. How could you not love this thing? It still look good. Got the carbon fiber look. You can see, I mean, just definitely different. Speaker up here, charging port on the top. It was definitely a different device. Audio jack on the top, and then it had that mini HDMI output. Just something different, man. I like, you know what I mean, I like that I can still charge something up like this and take a, this is nostalgia right here. This is a throwback on a Thursday. Remember BG Tech Life. Look at all these old icons. Look at, check out your YouTube, your play music, you know what I mean, Easy Navigator, all this old stuff, man. Got mad in 2012 on this joint. And this is a rooted device. I rooted this back in the day. As you can see, got the safe strap on there. And if I reset it, it'll take you into where I flash my ROMs and all that. Look at that old Google Talk icon. Definitely a throwback on a Thursday. As you can see, you got your apps. Then you go to widgets. Boom, different widgets. Oh, let me see. See, look, I done forgot how to use the junk. But you got some different widgets going on. I don't know. This show you how far tech go when there's little iterations of tech, and we think, oh man, stuff is not moving fast enough. Stuff is not coming out. But look, this is 2011. It's 2018. I mean, it's a big difference. This phone is what 1 gigabyte of RAM, 1780 milliamp battery. The pixel density on the screen is what, 256 ppi. Definitely we taking leaps and bounds, you know, but everything is slow with technology. It's fast to the rest of the world but slow to us techies, you know. But I'm still the type of guy that could sit here and pull this thing out and charge it up and appreciate it. The build, it still looks good. It's held up in the drawer. As you can see, you got this flap right here. This was kind of annoying to me back in the day. I remember this because I had that outer box on here, but let me see if I can open the flap without breaking it. There we go. Got the flap for the micro SD and the SIM card on Verizon. You know, nice Droid wallpaper. I used to love Droid phones back in the day, man. This remind me of, I would like to buy a Droid DNA. That was probably my all-time favorite phone. Honestly, the phone I had the most fun with, ROM and root and different Droid wallpapers. I love that device. I think that's the first video on my YouTube channel. But this thing came out, man. Definitely picked it up. Really, because they were talking about how thin it was going to be, the thinnest 4G LTE phone. Came out around the time the Nexus came to Verizon or whatever. So this was just something really dope, man. This is just a look back in tech, man. It's your man BG Tech Life. You know what I mean? We gotta appreciate what we got now, because look where we came from, man. When we think it's not, you know, it's not moving forward, take a look back at something like this. This is a throwback on the Thursday with your man BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.